It's time to make the home of the legendary Beatles your very own abode with the Myrtle Court, a stunning student housing destination in Liverpool, your future home away from home. Whether you prefer the comfort of ensuites or the independence of studios, Myrtle Court has you covered. Each private room features a snug bed, a personal study space, and ample storage facility to store all your gear. What's more, at Myrtle Court, your safety takes center stage with secure car parking, bike storage, and 24/7 staff on site. On weekends, unwind at the beautiful outdoor courtyard laundry facilities saves you unnecessary trips to the laundrette, and the cherry on top, all bills included to keep that student budget happy. Talking of the location, Liverpool International College and University of Liverpool are a pleasant stroll away. Nestled close to the city center, you'll have various delectable dining options to choose from, like Vine Court Cafe and Restaurant and Mr. Zhang's Kitchen. And for weekend vibes, the Blue Angel Nightclub and Electric Warehouse Disco Club are just a hop, skip, and a jump away. So are you ready to experience the perfect concoction of academic excellence and a vibrant social life? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your ideal stay at Myrtle Court, Liverpool today.